Most construction teams have job site data, but it's only used for compliance. What a missed opportunity. So let's put that data to work. We're going to use AI to really improve your project outcomes.
The great news is you don't need a data science team. Let's dive into the 5 simple steps.
Okay, first step, shift your mindset. This isn't just a compliance log, it's a powerful business system.
Second, you gotta fix your data. Clean data is absolutely crucial for AI. Let's tackle 2 common issues.
Get this, on a real project, 81.7% of check-ins were missing a checkout. That completely undermines your insights. Third, you need to ask smarter questions. AI creates value by answering the high-impact questions for your team. For example, you can instantly see if your headcount is dropping right before a huge milestone.
Fourth step, create a rhythm. All it takes is a simple 30-minute AI workforce review each week.
And finally, find those risks early. You have to connect this check-in data to your schedule and costs. This isn't just about reports, it's about early detection, spotting problems before they start eating into your margin. Look, your competition is already starting to use AI, so the only question left is, are you?